The nailer can be used manually by pulling the trigger and fire automatically by rolling along a surface. Automatic operation results in uniformly spaced nails and rapid trigger fire. The relative nail spacing is equal. The handle increases comfort and control while traversing a project. Here the nails have been driven through the board to clearly show the nail pattern. It requires little effort to achieve a straight, evenly spaced line. The nail spacing is easily modified by adjusting the variable V-belt pulley system. The nailer is capable of very rapid trigger fire while maintaining accuracy. Here is a clear view of two nail patterns demonstrating flexible spacing options. The safety is disengaged by putting downward pressure on the nailer. Because of the rapid operation of the nailer, accuracy is very important. The laser pointer ensures the nails are driven in the appropriate location. The simplistic design of the automatic nailing assembly make it easy and inexpensive to manufacture. The device can be mated to any pneumatic nailer depending on nail size requirements. Ideal for sheeting and prefabrication situations, its lightweight, compact design allow it to be a multi-purpose tool. In a class of its own, the automatic nailing apparatus unites perfection with efficiency.